Hi everyone, so this is just a quick video. So I've just made a little digital kit that you can use. You know, you can use them as pages, you can use them as filler pages, you can tear them up, you can collage with them, you can pretty much do what you like with them. I like these type of pages as not my main pages, but when I'm like folding and I don't even have a journal. I don't have a journal near me to show you, but literally I would obviously cut off all the white, coffee dye the backs, and then kind of fold it and maybe have a pocket that side. So I accidentally printed these out on copy paper because I had just done some printing obviously. I had just done some postage and I used copy paper for that, and I forgot to change it over. But anyway, I'll use this. I'll still be able to use it in something. Sorry about the banging. So there's 10 pages in total. So we have that one and we have that one. So they're just like vintage floral ephemera pages. We have that one, we have that one. So I'll put a link to these below in the description box. Then I have 5 pages like these. So these are like, this was like a grungy background and it was like a torn piece of paper. So I've just kind of like put the flowers on there, quite subtle. And you can see that there, and the marks on there are supposed to be there. And we have that one. So it's kind of like faded in there. Sorry, you can hear banging going on. I don't know what's going on. And that one, I think that's supposed to be that way, to be honest. So that is the kit. I'll put a link below if you're interested, and it's over on my website. Okay, so there we go. Thank you, bye.